Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about functions and graphs. But what is a function? You can consider a function as a vending machine. You put some money into it and you get your desired item out. That's how functions work. And we are going to solve some problems based on the same. So without wasting time any further, let's do some math. Functions and graphs. So let's solve some problems based on the same. If this is relevant to you, I suggest you bring a pen and paper and you can solve the questions along with us. Question number 1, it says f of x is equals to 2x plus 3. Find f of 1. So very simple. You just substitute the value of 1 in place of x. So 2 times 1 plus 3, that is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Second one, f of negative 2. So for this, we'll substitute negative 2 value in place of x. That's going to be 2 times negative 2 plus 3. So negative 4 plus 3, that is negative 1. F of 0, so that is 2 times 0 plus 3, which is going to be 3 only. Next question, g of x is equals to x square minus 4x. This is the function. G of x equals to x square minus 4x, and we have to find g of 1. So g of 1 is going to be 1 square minus 4 times 1. So that is 1 minus 4 minus 3. G of 4, so 4 square minus 4 into 4. So that's going to be 16 minus 16, that's 0. Then g of negative 2, so negative 2 square minus 4 times negative 2. So 4 plus 8, that's 12. That's the answer. Let's check the next question. Question number 3, it says the function f and g are defined as, so we have two functions given over here. F of x is equals to half x plus 4, g of x is equals to 2x upon x plus 1, and we have to work out f of 6. That means we have to place 6 in place of x. So 1 upon 2 times 6 plus 4. So it is going to be 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 plus 4, that is 7. Now we have to find f of g of negative 3. Part B. So this is a composite function or a compound function. In this case, we always start from right. So first we'll find g of negative 3. That's going to be 2 times negative 3. We have to place it in g of x function now. So 2 times negative 3 upon negative 3 plus 1. So this is going to be negative 6 upon negative 2. That's 3. Now we have the value of g of negative 3, which is this part. And now we have to find f of 3. So f of 3 is going to be half of 3 plus 4. So that's going to be 3 by 2 plus 4, which is going to be 5.5. And that's your final answer. Let's check part C now. It says g of a is equals to negative 2. Work out the value of a. So if g of a is negative 2, can we write negative 2 is equals to 2 times a upon a plus 1. So transpose a plus 1 in the LHS. So minus 2 times a plus 1 is equals to 2a. Minus 2a minus 2 is equals to 2a. So we can write minus 2 equals to 2a plus 2a. So 4a is equals to minus 2. A is equals to minus 2 by 4. That is how a is equals to negative 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. That's the answer. Let's move on to the next question now. Question number 4. It says a function f of x is graphed as a straight line passing through points 3 and 1 and 1 comma negative 1. What is the gradient of the line? So we have to, so this is based on graphs, which is a linear graph or a straight line graph. We have to find the gradient of the line. So gradient of the line, to find the gradient of the line, there is a formula which says m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So the coordinates are already given to us here and here. What we can do, we can mark this as x1 y1 and here as x2 y2, and y2 will be -1 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1, so 1 minus 3, that is going to be -2 upon -2, that's 1. So gradient is 1. That's the answer. M is equals to 1. Second, it says what is the y-intercept? So the straight line equation, the general form of straight line equation is y is equals to mx plus c. We already have the value of m. We also have the value of x and y coordinates from the line. We can take 3 and 1, so y component is 1. We can write y is equals to 1 times 3 plus c. So c will be 1 minus 3, which is -2. And now it says plot the function on the graph. So first of all, the function is y is equals to m is 1, x plus c, which is -2. So y equals to x minus 2. We have to plot this on the graph. We can draw the table values, or we can do it directly also. Let's draw a rough table value here, this side, or maybe we can just do it here. This is x component, y component. When x is 2, let's say when x is 2, y is 0. When x is 3, y is 1, and this is more than enough. Let's plot now. Okay, and now let's mark the points. Let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, and -1, and let's say this is -2. First point is 2, 0. 2, 0 will be here only. Second point is 3, 1. 3, 1 here. And now let's join these 2 points and stretch it, so it will look like this. Like this. So this is the line for the equation y equals to x minus 2, y is equals to x minus 2, where the y-intercept is -2 here, which is your c. So that's it. With this, we are done. You're done with all the questions. If you have any doubts, any confusion related to functions and graphs, you can surely write it to me in the comment section, and I'll surely get back to you. If you like the video and if this was helpful, do subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. That's all from my end. Bye everyone.